In this tutorial, you will learn about the exact function and its usage in Microsoft Excel. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. Exact function compares two text string and returns true if they are exactly the same and false otherwise. Exact is case sensitive but ignores formatting differences. We can use exact function to compare text and expect result in Boolean. Let us take up few examples to understand this function. In my Excel sheet, I have 4 cases and I am comparing both text in each case with exact function to find whether they are identical or not. So as you can see in results, case 2 and case 3 has resulted in false since the cases of the text doesn't match in case 2 as there is an extra space in case 3, whereas case 1 and case 4 resulted true. Since both the text in these cases are found to be exactly same. Mind it, exact function ignores any formatting in cell. It just compares plain text. In case of any queries, please write it in the comment box below. See you in another tutorial. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not, but what matters is that you keep learning.